I was working in London as a disability advisor for one of the universities, and I remember I was just cooped up in the office, and I realised that wasn't really for me. So I had to really think about what I wanted to do, and I remember that my real passion was psychology, and I noticed that LJMU were doing a course. So I suppose the biggest challenge for me in rising out of my masters was that big jump from undergraduate studies to master level. You're more independent, so you're allowed to be a bit more creative. You're given permission to be creative in what you research, and it's a bit more of a real life experience. If I'm going to do a job, I want that job to be worthwhile. I don't want to be sat in an office just putting numbers in a computer. I want to be with people making that difference, and I think psychology offers me that. It's been challenging, and sometimes you think, oh, I can't do this. But I think you only live once, and you need to be in a career that you're going to get satisfaction from. And the Masters has allowed me to explore this further.